Welcome, scholars, to another edition of Math with Marcus. This time we're going to be talking about proportional relationships. This is Course 2, 7th grade. And this problem is having to do with a snail. The winning snail in a snail race sounds exciting. Traveled 5 8/85 centimeters in 3/4 of a minute. That is not very fast. How fast was this snail traveling in centimeters per second? So this problem is not just tricky for the fact that we got decimals and fractions, but we were given this as part of a minute, and we're asking for kind of like the unit rate in centimeters per second. So the first thing I'm going to want to try to think about is 3/4 of a minute is how many seconds. So a minute, 60 seconds. And if I have 3/4, 3/4 of a minute, how many seconds is that? Well, 60 divided by 4 is 15 seconds. So this 3/4 of a minute is 45 seconds. So you know that in let's make a table actually. Time and distance. So we know that in 45 seconds, this snail can travel 5 8/85. So the question is, well, how fast can it travel in 1 second? So we're just going to do 5 8/85 divided by 45, which is, I'm going to use my calculator here. 5 8/85 divided by 45, and we get that many centimeters. So the snail travels 1/1300 centimeters in 1 second. All right, have a good one.